All right, it's time for my next review. This one is from Cali soaps. All right, so there were so many different options as far as soaps on Cali soaps that I had to select. I'll probably go back on there and order more. So, oh my goodness, the smell just hit me as soon as I opened this. These soaps smell amazing. Oh my goodness, these soaps smell amazing. All right, so here we have a business card here with, let's just packaging. Excellent business cards, and the soaps were beautiful. One thing I really noticed about these soaps is, like, as far as looks aesthetically, like they were absolutely beautiful. They were very presentable. All right, so that also made it hard to choose as well. So I kind of went with scents that I was familiar with that I knew I would like. So that's the card. Thank you for your purchase. California Handmade Soaps. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. So the website is CaliHandmadeSoaps.com. So I'm going to pull up this website real quick while I review. But yes, I remember the website. And when I say there were just so many different choices, like for, you know, different soaps. Like there was one that was actually sold out that I want to go back later and check out. Yeah, it's pretty awesome that this business card has the web address on there, which is helpful, and it makes it easier to reorder too. Yeah, so like some of the different scents that were on there. Oh my gosh, there was like soap for men, like, oh my goodness, like, okay, here's one. So there's this one soap, it's like gunpowder and smooth, that's the name of it. And it said it's a bourbon handcrafted oatmeal goat's milk soap. It's sold out, I'm pretty sure, because I bet a man it smells yummy with that soap. All right, so I do have a packing slip, which is awesome. I love having packing slips in my products. It reminds me, especially if I place a lot of orders, it reminds me of what I got, what my total was, and all of those things. So, yeah, so the soap here is Bloom. All right. And then Man Cave. And I actually got that for a male relative, the Man Cave soap. It just looked like it smelled good. And it does. Oh my, I'm jealous. This smells so good. This smells so good. I'm not, oh my gosh. This is the Man Cave soap. Yeah, it says it's a bestseller, and I see why, because it smells absolutely amazing. So if the man in your life or a male relative you know of likes to smell good and likes a natural soap, you definitely want to have them check this out. Let's see if my camera is, okay, there you go. All right, handcrafted soap. Like, I'm not even gonna open this. Olive oil, rice bran oil, coconut oil, organic leaf lard, sweet almond oil, casserole, grapeseed oil. Talking about being moisturized and smelling good. That smells amazing. I want to open that, but I'm not gonna do it because, like I said, I did not get that one for myself. That was a gift. All right, so this one is Bloom, and I think this was a gift. I kind of wish I ordered more soaps. I think I'm gonna be going back and ordering more. Thankfully, the not only was the website included in the cart, which makes reordering very easy, but it also shows me what I ordered, and that I believe this is a gift right here. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm stoked about that. And it's a pretty bag. Oh my gosh. That's how you get return customers right there. Look at this bag. Oh my, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Look at this soap, and look, it's in a packaging and everything. Look at this. All right, this is called Bloom. All right, look at this packaging. Look at this soap. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really fresh and clean. It almost reminds me of a cleaner smelling Irish Spring. Oh, this smells so good. That smells amazing. Look at that. Look at here. Yeah, I'm gonna be ordering more soaps from in the site. Again, it's CaliHandmadeSoaps.com. I am going to put all of their information below in the description box. Like, I wish that I could somehow just give you guys a whiff of what I smelled when I opened my package. This soap smells absolutely amazing. This man cave soap smells just phenomenal. That's 5 ounce. That's a 5 ounce soap. So I highly recommend Cali Handmade Soaps. Again, I'm going to be ordering more from Cali Handmade Soaps. So go ahead and check them out. The link is below in the description box. Thanks for tuning in. If you know anybody who likes handmade soaps, definitely share this video with them. Share it, tag them in it. Make sure you follow their pages. So if they have, so if Cali Handmade Soaps has any new products coming out, you definitely want to be tracking on the most of it. I ain't buying soap from the store no more. I'm not buying soap from this. Like, I'm serious. I'm not. Now that I've discovered Cali Handmade Soaps, I'm not gonna be ordering soaps or buying soaps from Amazon anymore. Period. All right. So, yeah. Organic, vegan, cruelty-free, CBD, non-GMO, pure, and responsibly sourced. I mean, what more can you ask for from a small business? So thank you for getting my order to me so quickly. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to gifting one soap and using the other. Thank you for the gift. I appreciate it more than anything. And you will definitely be getting a return customer at me. All right. So take care. Hope this review was helpful to you. If you're thinking about ordering from CaliHandmadeSoaps.com, go ahead. It'll be worth it. All right. Take care. All right. Have a good day.